So let's talk about camming bars. What are they and how do they work? So the purpose of a camming bar is the belt runs through the clips across the camming bar, and then as the belt is cinched, the camming bar helps rotate the grip of the gun into the body. The camming bars come in 3 different heights, and so there is a small, a medium, and a tall version. The camming bars are going to come as a feature on any of our inside the waistband holsters. For the SAGAX Lux and CERTUM Lux, they're going to come with a camming bar mod 0. That's going to include the 3 different sizes, and then it's going to have 2 5/8" flathead screws. The holster is going to come with just regular screws on here, and you're going to remove both of those screws. Decide which one you want to go with. Take your 5/8" flathead screws, slide them in there, tighten them down. Go ahead and get the threads engaged, and then tighten them down to determine the proper retention amount. And then go ahead and fit test the holster. And if it is fit test to your satisfaction, then you're good to go. And then you can try it with your camming bar. For the MALUS SOL, CERTUM SOL, the standard CERTUM, and the Velo, they're gonna come with a camming bar mod 1 set. The camming bar mod 1 set is gonna have a high, a medium, and a low camming bar. And it's also gonna come with a double post and then 2 3/8" flathead screws. Installation of the camming bar set is pretty easy. You take your double post and you slide it in near the trigger guard into one of the slots, and then just place your camming bar on top and install it. For the Velo 5, there are 2 positions. There's a lower position that slides up and down a bit, and then there's an upper position. And basically what you want to do is set your clips up for the proper ride height, and then you want the camming bar to line up with the clips as best you can. Basically line it up so that it's kind of in the middle and you have most of the belt running across the top of the camming bar, and that'll give you the most rotation.